I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about Fine's latest introduction in the multi-tool category. Fine invented this category with their original Multi-Master, and they still are the leader in the category. The latest changes in this are a really clever quick release mounting system that allows you to change tools quickly. This was developed with Bosch, and so the tools are compatible with the similar multi-tool accessories for the Bosch tools. Ironically, they're not compatible with the old Multi-Master tools from Fine, but the new tools are great. It also has some improvements in the way that the tool has got the vibration isolated on it. These tools are known for the very high speed, very small movement of the random orbit oscillation, and that's what gives them the benefit in working in tight quarters and delicate operations. But that also creates a lot of vibration, and Fine has done a great job to make the tool quieter and less perceived felt vibration. At the same time, it has dust collection on it, which works great for the tools that can use dust collection, such as the classic triangle sander tools that are so associated with it. To change tools, the easiest way is to just press down on the tool and it just snaps on. And then to take the tool off, you can just flip the lever. So it's really fast for tool changes. Why don't we plug it in and see how it works on a variety of things. I'm going to connect the dust collection. Not all these tools that I'm going to show really work with the dust collection, but we'll have it on and we'll give you an idea. The tool is pretty quiet, but as soon as you start cutting, you're going to definitely hear some noise. And let me zoom in here so that you can see what kinds of things that it does close up. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on a cutting tool. This is a round cutting tool. And you can use it for wood cutting, joinery. Works pretty good. Now I'm going to put on this tool here. This is another saw. This is a bimetal blade. This will cut both metal and wood. And so you can use it for like cutting this nail off here. You could use it for flush cutting. So I'll just cut this flush here. You could also use this for, joinery. It cuts pretty aggressively. And then the triangle sander attachment. So you can sand right up to an edge. It's great for inside drawer boxes and things like that. And the dust collection works pretty good. For regular sanding, there's a, oops. For regular sanding, there is a round pad. And if you're getting into remodeling and things like that, there's a tool for grout removal and all sorts of other accessories that you can use. And all the tools come packed in this nice plastic case. So that everything is neat and ready to go to the job. But it's a really versatile tool that is a real problem solver on the job, particularly on job sites and in remodeling situations. It's great for doing inside sanding work and all that kind of stuff. It's powerful. It's the original for that particular kind of tool. There's a lot of multi-tools out there in the market now, but fine is the one that's the original one and the one that everybody reaches for. And it still is a great value, powerful tool with lots of accessories worth checking out. That's what we got for today. You can see more tool reviews and videos on our websites at fdmcdigital.com and thewoodworkingnetwork.com. Thanks for watching.